working all my life, you know. Only God knows, only God knows, only God knows.
Hey loves, in today's video I have been dealing with a lot of thinning. I have a patch in my head, and so I went out after watching several reviews on the Cecred hair drops. I went out to get me some Cecred hair drops because of what I'm going through. So I actually used to work at this Ulta, so I was in the Ulta, and when I got in store, I was so happy to see the displays, so gorgeous, but there were no more hair drops on the shelf. The oil. And she's out of her freaking drops. So disappointed. She's so beautiful. Yeah. So after speaking to one of the beauty advisors, she said I can find some on the shelf, and so I went to the shelf. And she scanned to see if they had any supply in the back, but there was no luck. And I was so disappointed because, again, when you guys see what I'm dealing with, and Brioche, I just want to speak about Brioche. Don't sleep on this brand. When I tell you this brand is top tier, I had to get me some Brioche. But again, I was about to leave and I was disappointed, and I was thinking, okay, well, I'm not going to find them. And guess where they're? The last 2 bottles were at the register. Right. And I was so happy. Secured the package. I've been dealing with tension alopecia for a little over a year. So I went to the Beyonce concert in 2023, I believe. And I made a wig. And because it's a glueless wig, and when I say that glueless wig is flawless, and if I can find that clip, I'll put it in. Flawless wig. And because it was so flawless, it was super tight. And I never recovered because I wore the wig a little bit more after that event. And here I'm just showing you how much drops I use because these are serums. It's not an oil, and it's water. So be prepared for your hair to revert because it's going to act as if you're putting liquid or water on your hair. But I've been using it for 3 days, and back to what I was saying about the wig. The wig was so flawless and tight, it caused damage to my actual scalp. And my hair has never, and when I said I've been throwing everything at my scalp to get my hair to come back in this area, it just hasn't been able to recover from that wig. I'm no longer wearing that wig. If I do wear that wig, it will be loosen up. The elastic band was just too tight. And so things are coming back full circle. The reason I lost my hair is because of Beyonce, and she happened to drop these serum drops, and I am excited because, again, it's been a little over a year and I have been throwing everything at it, and I just need my hair to come back at this point. So this is another chapter of me trying to deal with an issue that I haven't been hiding, but I've just been trying to deal with it, thinking that, okay, I see a little hair growing there, but it's just never how I wanted it. So on this side of my hair is thinning. I don't know what's going on. I just do believe it's from that wig because this is not from any of my sew-ins. This is not from heat damage. This is strictly from that wig, I truly believe, because on the other side of my head, I don't have that issue, and you'll see it in later clips where it's just thicker there. But I'm going to use this all over my hairline, my part behind my hairline where I'm seeing the tension alopecia, so that this area that is exposed more, that gets more manipulation, such as pressing, blow drying, I'm going to put these drops all over this area just to thicken it up and see if they work. So if you guys are interested in seeing like daily or maybe every 3 days, I'm going to be trying to keep you guys updated. I'll do shorts on it because I'm so encouraged that something will help, because again, I've been trying a lot of things and nothing has helped. So this will be a test, because it's not just, I'm just trying to get my thinning edges back. Like literally I have a bald spot. So I have a picture of what that looks like prior to me using the drops, prior to me using other oils. It was worse than what it is now, and I'll put those clips in so you guys can see. I have been micro needling using all sorts of oils. I've been throwing everything at it, and now I'm going to try the Cecred drops. Again, the hair is coming back because it was much worse, but I want to see what the Cecred drops will do. Keep you updated. So here I'm just going through looking for more thinning areas to apply the drops and just removing my hair away from the sewing hair so I can just focus on that area. So if you're interested, just go ahead and subscribe, because this will be not a daily update, but mainly daily to every other day or every 3 days or weekly. Just so you guys know. So this is day 3 of me using these drops. This is day 3 of me using these drops. And like I was saying, on this side of my hair, as you can see, I don't have any of those issues. My hairline is intact. It's not as thin as the other side, and but it's not as thick as it used to be. So of course, anything I can use to get my hair back to how it was before, I was doing so much more to it. But the funny thing is, before I even start wearing my hair out and doing sew-ins again, I actually was wearing wigs all the time. I just think because I was at a concert and I don't want my wig to slip, and I don't do glue at all, that wig was just too tight on my hair, and now I'm trying to recover from that. So at this point, I'm going to double up, even triple up, micro needling, massaging, adding the Cecred drops. Again, the Cecred drops are liquid form, so if you are using them, I guess if you're wearing wigs, it'll be fine. But if you are doing like a silk press, just be prepared for your hair to revert. Doesn't bother me because I have a goal. I'm not going to press my hair even after this. I'm about to do a maintenance to my hair, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I do want to keep you guys updated. So if you guys don't see me doing a lot of hair content, it's because I am focusing more on taking care of my hair, less on manipulating my hair with pressing it. I haven't pressed my hair since the last time you've seen me do the hair or the video of me pressing my hair. Like I said, I use the stocking cap at night, and that just helps me keep heat off my hair. And yeah, so I'll be doing more content on these Cecred drops, not because it's viral, not because everybody's talking about it now. It's because I'm dealing with a balding spot. But I have came a long way, because like you've seen in the earlier clips, there was no hair there. But it's slowly coming back in. So I'm probably going to just wrap this sewing thing up for a while and just braid all my hair down. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one.